Do you feel like you're getting left behind because you struggle with social media? Or are you worried that if you don't stay current, you're going to miss out on listings in your market?
Do you want to use video but have never made videos before and it seems hard to learn? Or maybe you're just not comfortable being on camera or putting yourself out there. If you want to learn the fastest way to grow your visibility in your market and attract your ideal new buyers, sellers, and listings, video on social media is the most effective way to do that.
But what if you're nervous about being on video? Some people don't want to be on video because they don't like the way they look or sound, or they're worried about coming across in a way that they don't want. And we had the same worries too.
Like so many others, 2020 changed our business completely. We had spent years making videos for our businesses, and we're always on the other side of the camera. So when things changed in early 2020, we knew that we needed to get in front of the camera if we were going to be able to help people grow their business with video.
It was an adjustment, and we worried about how we would look and sound on video. We worried about what other people would think of our videos, our friends and our family, but even strangers that we didn't know. What would everyone think? We found out pretty quickly that people didn't care about all that stuff.
What they really cared about was how we could help them. We decided then and there to remember why we were making these videos, to help people grow their business with video. If our videos weren't for them, that was okay. We kept making them and finding more and more people that our message resonated with.
Yeah, people don't care what you look and sound like when you're helping them solve a problem they have. That's all they care about. If not, it's just not for them, and that's okay. You're not for everyone, and these videos will help you find the right people.
When you show up as your authentic self, people will feel that, and that's what will really help build a trusting connection with them, and that is gold for your career.